everyone, and welcome to a new MagnaMods video. Today I'll be doing something a little bit different. I'll actually be doing a review of a product. So the product I will be reviewing is actually a headlight restoration. Not really a kit as such, in that you don't have to do all the sanding down and resealing and rah. They're actually, as far as I know, they're wipes. So they're called LensKlear. I should also state too, I'm not sponsored by these guys to do this video or anything like that. I was offering to do my mum's headlights on her Swift because they're quite bad. They're very cloudy and whatnot, and I've actually got a Meguiar's set that I've half used in the shed because I've used it on the VRX. And I was talking to one of the guys at work about it, and we had some of these samples, so I thought, why not try them? So as far as I know, as I said before, they're just wipes. They're not a full sort of restoration kit. Now, we have sold a lot of these to our trade customers at work, and truth be told, everything I've heard about them has been brilliant. I've not heard one bad comment. Now, they are quite expensive. I can't tell you what the retail on them is because I don't know off the top of my head. But for these 3 sachets, and you do need the 3 sachets for one headlight kit, as far as I know, we'll find out at the end if you can sort of get away with doing 2 sets or anything like that. But as far as I know, for these, when I had a look on eBay last night, they're about $35 for that. So I mean, in comparison, where you can get full kits that will do a couple of headlights or a couple of sets of headlights, it is quite expensive. But like I said, people have raved about it, so hopefully they do work as well as people say. Now, as I said, I will be doing these on my mum's Swift. I wouldn't mind doing them on the VRX as well, because the Meguiar's one didn't really work. It worked well, but Meguiar's certainly make better products than what we found the headlight restoration kit to be. And considering they're my favourite, it was a bit disappointing, but that's okay. So the LensKlear, as far as I know, all you have to do is use, there's one wipe of step 1 for each headlight, and then step 2 does both headlights. And so with step 1, according to this, the idea is to wipe across the headlights and then dry with the paper towel. I was also told to leave it on there for about 2 minutes, so I'll be doing that as well. And then step 2 is to wipe across the clean dry headlights and allow to dry for 30 minutes. So we'll see what happens at the end of the time and see how well it comes up, I suppose. I'm really hoping that these work well, because it will be great rather than putting in all the effort to have to get your headlights back to a little less of a cloudy condition. If you can just wipe over them and wait half an hour, it'll be really brilliant. So let's go ahead and see how they work. Okay, so these are the headlights as is. As you can see, they're both very clouded over. So hopefully these products rectify that, and we're going to find out. They kind of smell like a KFC wet wipe. They actually feel really big and saturated too, which is nice. So I wonder if you could maybe sneak in more headlights with one wipe. Wow. That's intense. I don't know if there's any rules about getting this on paint. There's no warning or anything against it, so I would avoid it if you can, even though I got a little bit on there anyway. But that is just manky. So we'll leave that on there and do the other side, and come back in about 2 minutes and wipe it off. And we'll just clean up the other side while we wait for the other side to cure, so to speak. So far, the results, I'm very impressed. Considering I've had to put absolutely no effort or elbow grease, all I've had to do is wipe over them. It's very impressive. So we'll start with the paper towel now. And there's still quite a bit of sort of stuff coming off.
Residue?
Yeah. Go and do the other side as well. Fresh piece of paper towel just in case. So that's some of the residue that we've got happening here still. Alrighty. And we'll go in with step 2, which is just to wipe across the headlights. That one smells a bit more like paint and a little less like takeaway wet wipe.
Cleanliness.
It smells like clear coat. So this one you just wipe on and let it dry for half an hour. You don't have to do anything else as far as I know. This one actually feels quite oily, almost like a moisturizer. Awesome. Let's go over this one more time. Make sure I've got everywhere. Awesome. So at the moment they look a lot better. It does say to leave them for half an hour, so we'll do exactly that. We'll come back in half an hour and see how it looks. Okay, so with the magic of technology, it's been half an hour. For you guys, it's been the next frame. So they do look really good. They look like they probably just need a clean now more than anything. But they're certainly a big improvement on what they were. There is still a little bit of haze there. I suspect it's still the product and it's still a little bit sticky to touch. But to be perfectly honest, for the no effort I had to put in, definitely well worth the money and would definitely recommend it. So all in all, I think the product was actually incredibly good for what it was. For how simple and easy it was to use, the results were very instant. I would say one thing, wear gloves because it's super sticky. My hands feel a little bit gross now, but that's okay. I have washed them a few times with a proper scrubber cleaner, so yeah, I would definitely recommend using gloves. I'll be interested to see how they come up once they're washed. As I said, it did look like there was still a little bit of residue on there, but it seemed to be sort of settling into the headlight almost. And it seemed to have worked really well, so it was definitely an improvement on what it was. As you will have seen from the before and after photos, it's, yeah, much better. So hopefully Mum's happy with their new headlights. And hopefully you guys are happy with the review. If you'd like to see more reviews like this, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. I do love trying new things, so anything, let me know if you want to try different car washes, stuff like that. Yeah, so thanks again for watching, guys. I would definitely recommend this product. If I had to give it a rating out of 10, I would say it's probably like a 8.5. It is very, very good. I would buy it for the VRX, to be honest. It's well worth the money. See you guys in the next video, and thanks again for watching. Hopefully it helped. Hello everyone, and welcome